DIY Halloween witches. We used leftover PVC pipes and a 4-way fitting to make a stand. We had old grocery bags that we used and tied them to the PVC pipes to create the upper body. To make the lower body, we used a pool noodle that we cut in half and zip tied to each side. We used black plastic sheeting to make the dress. I cut it at about 8 feet. Drape it over the stand evenly. Check to make sure you like the flow of the dress. Pull together and zip tie under the upper body. Now for the pumpkin head. We drilled a hole in the center of the bottom of the pumpkin and placed it on top of the PVC. Add pumpkin LED lights inside to make it glow. Wrap a black tablecloth around the neck and place it forward to create the arms. Make it fancy. Cut a tablecloth in half to make the cape. Tape it to the back. Add beautiful tulle fabric that drapes over the entire witch and zip tie at the neck. Fluff it out and style it as you desire. Place your witch's hat on top. We used a hot glue gun to keep it in place. To make it sturdy, add weights or sandbags for extra support. Do a happy dance. You did it. Be proud of your creation. Light these witches up. Looking forward to seeing your creations. Tag me so I can see your witches come to life. Happy crafting, witches!